Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start unit number 11 chimpanzees, page number 66. Unit number 11, lesson number 1, listen and speak. Listen and fill in the fact file about chimpanzees. Students, these are the chimpanzees and this is the fact file about the chimpanzees. Size. The size of chimpanzee is about 1.17 meter. Weight. The weight of chimpanzees is 32 to 60 kilos. Food. Chimpanzees are omnivores, so they can eat plant as well as the animals. So the food is plants and animal. Lifespan 32 to 39 years. They can live 32 to 39 years. Babies one at a time. Now use the information to complete the paragraph. By using this information, we are going to complete this paragraph. Chimpanzees are more than 1.17 meter high. They weigh about 32 to 60 kilos. They eat plants and small animals. They live for about 32 to 39 years. They have one child at a time. Page number 67. Unit number 11, lesson number 2, words and phonics. Read these words and make up your own sentences with them. Game, rain, play, all. The sound of A is A. AI, rain, A. Play, all. Cake, train, C. Ball, make, pen, stay, call. Students, by using these words, you have to make sentences in your notebook. Came to tea. Her name was Mrs. Grumbly Boots. The children were all hungry, but she was late, so they had to wait for their tea. Sarah made a cake, but she didn't like it. Ali showed her his new toy train, but she said it was noisy. Fiza wanted to play, but Mrs. Grumblywood said she had to stay still. "You," said Fiza when she went away. "I am glad she didn't stay for dinner." Part C is put the glossary words in alphabetical order. Students, we have to put these glossary words in alphabetical order. E. E is at number 1. After E is G. G is at number 2. G. H. H is at number 3. I. J. J is at number 4. O. O is at number 5. P. P is at number 6 and T. T is at number 7. Okay students, now open your English grammar, page number 51, lesson number 19, adverbs. Words which describe how an action is done are called adverbs. Look at the pictures below and read the sentences. Students, how, where and when an action happens, it is described by an adverb. Peggy danced gracefully. Now we are going to describe the action danced gracefully. Gracefully is an adverb because it describes the action word dance. The hare ran swiftly. Now we are going to describe ran. Ran is an action and swiftly is an adverb. He ate the food greedily. We are going to describe the action word ate and the adverb is greedily. Students, we add ly to adjective to make an adverb, just like that. Grace, graceful. Graceful is an adjective and we add ly to make it an adverb. Gracefully. Let us understand. In the sentences below, find the adverbs and write them in your notebook. Number 1. Always drive carefully on road. Now we are going to describe the action drive. Drive. And the adverb is carefully. Granny patted and lovingly. Lovingly is an adverb. The birds were flying happily. We are describing the action word flying and the adverb is happily. The teacher told the class to write neatly. Neatly is an adverb. The policeman blew the whistle loudly. Loudly is an adverb. Practice. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Complete them with a suitable word from the list given below. Heavily, loudly, beautifully, thirstily and quietly. Students, these are the adverbs and we have to fill in the blanks by using these words. He decorated the house beautifully. The dog lapped the water thirstily. It rained heavily the whole day. The lion roared loudly. Students, copy these words in your notebook and also fill in the blanks on your book. On page number 52, copy the sentences below in your notebook. Complete them by choosing the correct adverb from the choices given against each. Venus sang dash. Melodiously, swiftly, hurriedly. And the right answer is melodiously. She slapped her brother lovingly, neatly, angrily. And the right adverb is angrily. We get our newspaper weekly, daily, monthly, daily. The room was lit up darkly, noiselessly, brightly, brightly. Students, write the right answers in these blanks and also copy the sentences in your notebook. We can make adverbs from nouns and adjectives. In the list given below, change the nouns and adjectives into adverbs. The first one has been done for you. Week. By adding ly to week, it will make an adverb weekly. Regular, regularly. Silent, silently. Quick, quickly. Safe, safely. Year, yearly. Extended exercise. Hidden in this crossword are 10 adverbs. Can you find them? You may search horizontally or vertically down from them. Yes, we can find lazily, angrily. These are the 10 words: nicely, lovingly, happily, sadly, shyly, loudly. Students, highlight these words in your books. This is all about the adverbs. Learn your lesson and also copy the sentences in your notebook.